Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. The video topic is top 3 ways to earn money online in 2024. You'll get full information, also the guidelines, and you can earn Indian rupees 20,000 to 1 lakh plus per month or even more, 5 lakhs plus, and in USD 250 US dollar to 1250 US dollar, even 6,000, 7,000 US dollar per month. So stay tuned, you will get full info. My dear friend, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now you know the top keywords, buzzword is how to make money online, how to earn money online. First thing, very popular way of earning money, where with almost zero investment you can start earning, and many of the people, okay, from very ordinary background, they are earning a huge amount. Starting it will be slow, gradual, and even many of the people they are earning lakhs, 5 lakhs or even more, okay. So initial investment is zero. You have to start a YouTube channel. Making a YouTube channel is very simple. You should have a Gmail ID. You can start your YouTube channel, zero cost. Even you can shoot your videos through your mobile or laptop, whatever you are having. Okay, and experience and skill regarding it is for everyone and anyone. Time investment daily, let us say 1 to 6 hours you spend depending on how much you want to work and your niche. Niche is very important, my dear friend. That is your category. Okay, you can make videos in various categories. Your lifestyle. Many village people they started with their lifestyle they are showing. Many poor, even some eating channel is there, fooding channel is there, cooking channel is there, okay, or education channel, science and technology, travel blogs like that, okay. And based on your niche, no, any language you can make it. You can make it English, you can make it your regional language, Hindi, Bengali, or whatever language you are having, whatever, let us say, passion you are having, on that you can make videos, upload it, and expect a return in 1 year is about let's say 20,000, 50,000 per month to even 8 lakhs per month, okay. 8 lakhs per month is about a crore, okay. So US dollar, if you take it 250 to 7,000 US dollar per month you can earn, depending on the niche, okay. Now how to become eligible to get income? There's the AdSense income, okay. Because if you see the videos now, there are ads are running, and there's an advertisement revenue, and YouTube they share whatever revenue is there, 55% it goes to the let's say the creator who has uploaded the YouTube videos, okay. And eligibility, AdSense eligibility, you should have 1,000 subscriber and watch time 4,000 hours. Then you will become eligible. You have to fulfill the AdSense norms, okay. And whatever money you will earn, no, you will earn in dollars, and whatever money you will get, that you will get based on, let's say you are India, Indian rupees. Whatever countries is there, in countries currency you will get. So even not only AdSense, you can get sponsorship, and sponsorship earning is huge, okay. So if you utilize it properly, the YouTube channel, your earning can go up to even lakhs, 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs rupees, okay. So you can explore it. Now another way of earning, blogging is one of the best ways to earn money online. Initial investment, it is small amount of investment. Let's say you should have a domain hosting, even some of the things it is free, you can start free. Okay, and experience and skill record, whatever, let us say, skill and experience you are having, you can utilize that. It is for everyone and anyone. Many of the students, let's say even professional, they start with the blogging gradually, from, let us say, part-time, some of the fellows, they become full-time bloggers. Okay, and earning, time investment 1 to 4 hours, even in leisure time you can do it. So whatever jobs you are doing, you can continue and start that. Okay, you get the feelings. Okay, and gradually you start earning. Expected return in 1 year 10,000 rupees to 1 lakh per month, even 5 lakhs per month, US dollar 250 to 6,000 per month. Earning through AdSense, like you've seen the YouTube videos, no? Like AdSense, so, you will see some banner like that, advertisement, people they click, you will earn income. Also, you can do affiliate marketing through your blogging. Okay. Now the other way of earning income is affiliate marketing. Is very popular. There are very popular affiliate marketing available. Marketing program available. Many of you know the Amazon affiliate marketing programs. Almost zero cost. You can join that, but you have to spend some money. Let us say you have to make a blogging website. You have to make a blogs so that people through the links they will buy the products of various products in affiliate marketing. Amazon, even some other companies also you can join, and Amazon, let us say 1% to 10% like that, various products, and mostly it is one time sale. So, and other things is the very popular thing is the let's say the digital products or software products. Okay, their earning is 10% to 30% like that. Okay, so and investment is very minimal. Even with zero things you can start, or 2,000, 5,000 rupees, even 20,000 rupees. Let's say you invest, you can earn huge amount. Amount is, let's say, from starting maybe 10,000 you can start, 20,000, 50,000, grow like that, 1 lakh per month, 5 lakhs per month like that. Okay. Time investment about 3 to 8 hours a day, or part time you can do it, see the things. Okay. And now one best thing in affiliate marketing is coming, is already there. There is a on passive company. It is a AIIT company. It is a 24/7 things are there. It is spread all over the globe, 200 plus countries it is there, making the software products, digital ecosystem, total ecosystem is there, various benefits in on passive affiliate marketing program. You will get the marketing support and various things. Even let us say the link sharing, you will get the link once you subscribe the product, things like that. Okay, you will become an affiliate, and there are various opportunities available, professional write-up, link sharing, various short and long videos you can share and things like that. So there also is a hard huge earning opportunity. For that you have to join the affiliate program, become a affiliate, sign the NDA, give a consent for affiliate agreement, subscribe the product. Okay, the software product. Okay, and through that you can start earning. So you explore it. You can visit onpassive.com website and various things. That's all in this video. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thank you.